Hey guys, can you hear me now? I don't know why it went away. I think now should be good. What's up guys? How are we doing this beautiful Tuesday? How are we doing beautiful Tuesday? Now you guys can hear me, right? Hopefully. Hopefully guys. Oh man, my trip. No, NLC is not over. I'm not at the target yet. I've just been quiet about it because of some news that I have coming out. But it's not over. I'm gonna continue doing this until I hit my goal. I hit a goal. I hit a big goal, but I haven't announced it yet. So that's why I have been a little bit quiet. But otherwise, yeah, I'm continuing. All the results, 2 losses that I sent yesterday in the Discord, they came from they came from the NLC. I took 2 fat L's on NLC, which was not ideal, you know. Alright guys, you see my charts, correct? 22 viewers. That's what happens when you take some time off, you know? People forget about you. Alright. We got some exciting setups today, to be honest. This music is pissing me off. Not gonna lie. Not gonna lie. Wait, NASDAQ is falling off the cliff. US30 is just nasty. Right, guys, let me go through the charts real quick so we're ready for the market open in 1 minute. Okay, so gold. Fundamentally. Somewhat bullish weekly. Bearish candle coming off a bullish engulfing candle. Daily, choppy price action. No certain direction either way. It's just up and down in the past days. So I'm trusting the weekly time frame. I'm gonna stay bullish. Dropping to lower time frames. What do I see here? Again, choppiness. No clean direction. Very bad. Terrible. Terrible, guys. Gold is looking terrible. Let's see if it's one of the sessions right here. Oh, it's not. Fundamentally driven markets is when it doesn't matter. It doesn't care when it's a trading session or not. Yeah. So if there's nothing on the left, we have to go with what we have right now, currently. So boom, right on the New York Open, we did form a nice demand right here. So maybe we can have a setup to go long on gold. Isn't the music too loud or no? I hate it, to be honest. Two weeks, yeah, guys. You know, I've been worrying about this, you know, but eventually, guys, you know, what can I do, bro? I'm young. I make money And I wanted to take 2 weeks off, and there's no one on this planet that can tell me otherwise. That's the best thing about trading, you know. Absolutely the best thing about trading is you can do whatever heck you want whenever. You know, you don't have to ask anyone for permission. So I did what I wanted. It was, bro, the 2 weeks has been madness. Like I had a little bit of both worlds. I did some meetings. I did some, you know, like stuff that I needed to get out of the way, but otherwise I was just enjoying Dubai sun. Had a couple parties here and there. There's vlogs coming out. I have I think 6 or 5 vlogs recorded. They're currently being edited. I'm gonna release them one by one. It should be nice. It should be nice. Of course, there was moments that I didn't record. But I tried to record everything as much as I can. And there was some fun stuff going on. There was some fun stuff going on. All right, so gold, this is what I'm looking at. I feel kind of sick. I don't know if it's just the change of temperatures, the climate, or what it is, but I feel like, I don't know. So also for New Year's, I'm going to Brazil. And then for after Brazil, I go to Dubai for a couple months now. But now since it's not going to be like a vacation Dubai trip, it's going to be more like me staying there. I'm going to bring the setup and I'm going to do live trading from there. Where this time was like, it was just 2 weeks. I was like, instead of doing something low quality, you know, like just to do it, I'll take a couple of weeks off. US30. I don't like the London hugging the Asia, number 1. Once I zoom out, number 2 is the price action that I don't like. I don't want to look at it. US 100, on the other hand, same thing. Nice drop. Momentum is to the downside, but if I zoom out, it's very bullish. It hasn't been ideal. Guys, look at this. It hasn't been ideal. Like, yes, we're moving up, but literally big moves up and down. Like, if you were trading 1 trade per session and you were just trying to guess the correct move, like look at this, almost every New York session, drop, consolidation. It's literally while I was traveling, I think, as well. Drop. But overall, past New York sessions, after New York sessions, it has been moving up. You know, so it's like very big swings up and down without clear direct. Like, I mean, the direction is clear, but every New York session has been boom, bearish. Now here we have the last 2 New York sessions very bullish, coming after a very bearish New York session. So a lot of mixed signals right now. I don't want to sell here. I would only want to buy. And of course, I would probably buy off this imbalance right here. I don't think it's even a session. Let's go down to that. Yeah, it's London session. So my liquidity would start here. Only here I would buy. But it looks like it's far off. DXY, let's look at DXY. As you know, on DXY, I only look at support and resistance. Cringe, I don't know. It works, yes. Higher time frames on the weekly, I do have 2 major levels that the price is trading in between, and it is support and resistance. Currently, the price tried to go above this support level right here, but as you can see by the previous weekly candle, it closed back below. So what does that mean? Means that we might see some weakness from USD in the upcoming weeks, moving downwards to the next support level that's below. Okay. Yeah, I mean, yes, the momentum is bullish. I like it. The price, the USD has been bullish lately. I understand that. factually, we are at resistance. Factually, we just rejected and blew past the resistance, blew below the back, went back below the resistance, and is now rejecting the resistance. If we break above, if the DXY breaks above and closes above, I'm more than happy to continue trading towards dollar strength, you know, selling USD, selling GBPUSD, and so on. I think it will be even better setup because of this momentum right here. But once again, we don't guess, we react. And the way I would be reacting to this is the price is in consolidation. We cannot deny that. The price is in consolidation and the price has rejected the resistance. So for this week and potentially upcoming weeks, if the level is continuing to be rejected, I will be betting against the dollar. Now, which leads me to GBPUSD. If we look at GBPUSD, it has been bearish because DXY has been bullish. DXY is now at resistance. We go to GBPUSD, and what do I see? On the weekly, previous weekly candle close is bullish engulfing. On the daily, we have a change of structure. What is the change of structure? So if I zoom in, hope you guys can see it, we have, let me delete all of this shit out of the way. What we have, the price forms lower low, lower high, lower low, and with this push, we broke this previous lower high, which caused a change of structure. Let me actually change this. So here is our change of structure. The price went from lower lows, lower highs to higher high, which is bullish market structure, which flipped the price action into bullish on the daily, which is significant. So now if it's bullish and the DXY is at resistance, I'm going down to lower time frames to look for buys. And what do we see here? On the 2-hour time frame, I do like this. Actually, also, I do like this head and shoulders. It's a reversal pattern right here, which could be a nice way to, you know, fake the retail traders with this pattern. This is what a lot of traders look at. So, since we have that bullish mindset, on the 30-minute, let's look for some demand. Where's my indicator? Come on. There we go. So there's not much that we can use on the left. So what we do, we use something that we have, the areas that has just formed, and I have a couple. So number one right here, the very beginning of this new London session that had just passed. Okay. So this is the area where we had a massive push. We came back after London session. We swept the London session lows, which is also a good sign, which also could be a cause of the liquidity to push the price higher. The next demand is right here on the push that happened during the London session. What I don't like about it though, it has been ran through, you know. The price action is moving up and down around this level. It doesn't show like it's being respected, where if we look just at this level, as soon as the price reached this level, we had a strong reaction. So it tells me that this has been a stronger level. So, oh, you guys cannot see it. So this is what I'm going to be looking for on GBPUSD. Potential buys. Okay. I'll make alert. You guys understand the reasoning behind it, yes? EURUSD. Yesterday I drew this up. I had two zones. I got 2 L's from EURUSD. Unfortunately, after a great run trading EURUSD, I think if I look at my history, let's look at my history. So for the past 3 months, can I do the symbol? Oh, here, symbol, EURUSD, and the time last 6 months. Okay. So on EURUSD, the past 3 months, this is my history. 400 loss, 900 loss, 1.5 thousand win, 2,000 win, 1.6 thousand loss, 1,000 win, 3.5 thousand win, 1,000 loss, 500 loss, to 1.5 thousand losses, 6,272 win, and then yesterday 2 losses on 3K. Okay, so if there were no 2 losses of those 3K losses, then I would say it has been good 3 months trading Euro USD. But since we had those losses, I think it's about, oh, it shows. Oh, yes. So it's around, it's actually just break even. $140 profit trading Euro USD. Let's look at GBPUSD the past 3 months. Wow. So that's why I mixed up. Wow, I forgot how to speak. On GBPUSD, the past 3 months, I made 31,000. Okay. 2,000 win, 1.8, 3.2 win, 2.5 win, 3.4 win, 4.3 win, 1,000 loss, 1,000 loss, 200 loss, 2.1 win, 7.3 win, 3.5 win, 3,000 win. GBPUSD, thank you. Merry Christmas. You guys want to know other so I trade 6 assets. If you look here to the right of my screen: gold, US30, US100, Euro USD, GBPUSD, Euro JPY. Let's look at gold. How I performed on gold. Okay, so gold is not as much, but still profitable. 7.7 thousand win. Guys, I want to remind that this is a started this account with $25,000. So here is the past 6 months. I mean, the past as how long I traded this account, and I made 7.7K trading gold, 1.6 loss, 2.8 win, 3K win, 1.2 loss, 500 loss, 2K win, 4K win. Next we have US30. Let's look at US30 symbol. Where is it? DJI. So I have 7,000 also in the DJI, also profitable. Next, Euro JPY. 1.5. Oh, I barely traded. Only 2 trades on Euro JPY. Okay. Next, US100. I'm interested in this one. 1,000 win. 12. So 13,000 were made on NASDAQ here. $12,400. Okay. Pretty good. Pretty good. I don't know if you guys added up how much I made in total. But yeah. Yo, bro, I think you need a video editor for my YouTube. Yes, bro, I have one. I just hired one yesterday. He's really fucking good. He's really good, man. So Euro USD, I was looking for the setup. I drew it up. I sent you guys on Discord. Unfortunately, I took one trade around here. I got stopped out, and I took a trade actually here, and I got stopped out because my stop losses were below the zone, which is unfortunate. But it happens. My mistake was that I traded against momentum and I didn't wait for entry confirmation. It was entirely my mistake. It was entirely my psychological mistake. It wasn't my trading system. It was just me opening the trade too early. I should have probably entered the trade right around this area, but this was Asia, so I should have probably not traded it, you know. So what do we have for Euro USD? Very similar to GBPUSD. We have a couple zones that pulls my interest. Okay, this. I think I like this one more. This one looks like the liquidity has been taken. So if I pull out this, looks like it's been taken. I like this a little bit more. So GU, EU, 2 clear setups. Euro JPY, guys, I've been telling you that I'm bullish on JPY. I have been telling you that I'm bullish on JPY because of the fundamentals. If you look at my past lives, you'll be able to hear me say that. Now, I don't know. I just haven't seen setups. I mean, I also was traveling, but let's see. This could have been potential right here with, but not ideal. No, I don't like this. This would have been a nice sell right here if the price retraced all the way up. So we use this London liquidity. But otherwise, I don't know. It's just choppy, choppy, choppy. Drop. Here, the drop happened after hours. So I don't trade this price action. Here, the big drop also happened after hours. This is Asian session. I don't trade this either. So as you can see, Asia has been selling, betting a lot on JPY strength. I think when other sessions are going to start joining, other banks of other regions are going to start joining, and we're going to start to see the London and New York drive the JPY lower, Euro JPY lower. That's where the fun is going to start. I mean, it's already really bearish from what I see. But it may be a long-term shift for Euro JPY and all other JPY pairs. I'm currently looking at the weekly time frame, and what do I see is for weeks. Let's see. This started here and ended 1,500 days. That's 4 years, no? Yeah, that's over 4 years. The price has been extremely bullish. So I definitely would not be surprised if that's where the things turn around with the new Prime Minister of Japan. Okay, so I'm becoming more like a long-term bearish on or bullish on JPY. So only 2 setups that I see. I actually didn't look at the Euro JPY. Yeah, I don't see something I like. There's no clear supplier demand. I feel like I need to look at it, but all the candles look quite the same length. There's no one that stands out to me like it does right here, for example. So GBP and Euro USD and GBPUSD is the only ones that I'm looking at for today. The light is pretty dark now. I need to put more light on. What's the session indicators? Asian session. Asian session range, it's called. It's the best one. Also, guys, Ape, I've been telling you about. I bought this completely randomly. I think I told you when I bought it was around here. It's up 54%. It's not bad. Quite happy with it. It has been going up lately. Today it was... Oh, it's dropping already. But all the crypto has been going really... has been very positive lately. I do have some lines. I do have some trend lines. I'm not an active trader. I'm more an investor in crypto. Like just buy and hold. Just try to... By doing technical analysis, I try to time my entry a little bit better. But that's how I look at crypto. BTC almost at 100. I think it's gonna go to 250,000 by the end of next year. I think I made a bet with my friend for 1,000 euros. I think so. I think I made a bet while I was in Dubai for 1,000 euros. It's gonna reach 250,000. US100 with a big retracement. What a mess. What a mess. This music. Okay. I kind of like that. You guys hear that? Oh no. Don't you know? Pump it up. What else? What else? I don't want to talk about a lot about Dubai because I'm gonna be releasing these vlogs. I think first one's gonna be finished edited today. So it's gonna be rolling out one by one. I haven't. I don't know how the hard part about recording the vlogs is you don't know how they're turning out. Since I recorded 6 vlogs before releasing them, I don't know, like, you know when you record one and then you release one, it's like, oh, I can improve this, or the camera should be like this, or this is better, this is whatever. You learn from the past. This time I just recorded 6 vlogs and I don't know how it turned out, you know. But I just enjoy doing it. I don't really, I don't know. I just loved doing it, you know. We were just like picking up the camera and doing. It was no planning. It was no scripting. Nothing. Not a single script. Not a single sentence of a script for the vlogs. It was just literally me taking the camera. Also, my friend who flew out with me, he was helping me out with content, recording me and stuff. So just us going through the days and whatever, you know. There was this one time where like we went to the beach club and we got a little, you know, tipsy. We had a lot of fun, and on the way home I was just walking. We were walking to the driver, and it's this funny interaction with this random dude. I don't know if the editor is gonna put it up, but it was hilarious. I was looking after it after the next day. It was just hilarious. US30 is dropping. I think you know what could happen is like boom, boom. I wouldn't be surprised. Something like this. Are you looking for sells on GBPUSD? I can explain why I'm not looking for sells. If you want me to. Wait, why is my stream so late? Oh, it's not live for me. Okay. I was like, why is it so late? Oh my god, it was hilarious. It was hilarious, guys. I would like to show you something, but I'll be patient with it. You guys took any trades this week so far? it would be a great liquidity for the Nasdaq to take out the London highs. They're in the region of the fall of day 2 yesterday. What do you mean? What do you mean? GBPUSD is, first of all, we're gonna start with DXY, and I already talked about it. So it's in consolidation, and it's at a major level of resistance, which means good dollar's weakness. GBPUSD, previous weekly candle bullish. Daily change of structure or character, whatever you want to call it. Next, you know, momentum to the upside, nice supply. We're showing some bullishness, even though the price was dropping a lot of momentum. We're starting to pick up some bullishness, you know. So simple. Oh my god, guys, I need to sell this indicator because everyone's asking it. I keep answering this question. It's Asian session range, free indicator on TradingView. No, I don't wait for the sweeps. It's just like a good confirmation. You know, if we have the sweep, but it's not like something in my playbook. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Last one is an NLC project. Include a strategy. You won't be able to buy it anymore, bro. I don't sell courses anymore. I think pre-recorded courses. I've been in the space for a while. I think pre-recorded courses, pre-recorded lessons is a way to teach. I'm not even saying about learning. I'm talking about teaching from my perspective, from my experience. Because I'm like I was a mentor and I want the people to succeed. And I have tried pre-recorded lessons, and I don't think that's the best way to teach, best way to guide someone to success. So, you know, I moved away from pre-recorded lessons, and I'm going to be focusing more on a one-on-one mentorship, just hands-on with the people, doing, you know, coaching calls and stuff like that. Like, it's there for people, but I won't be selling it to new people. I really like, I'll rather have 5 people. I'll rather take 10 people and have 8 succeed than take 1,000 people and have 100 succeed. You know, I'm talking about the ratio. Yeah, bro, the strategy is the same. It will always stay the same, bro. The strategy has been, I will not change it to anything in the very fucking far future, because the way it works, I am, you know, mesmerized myself. The past, what's now, wow, since earlier April, I started trading it privately, or March, I started trading it privately, and then I moved trading it publicly. And it has been nothing but I'm talking more about teaching, because Project NLC, the course you could have, like, you could buy before, it was just like pre-recorded lessons. Where I want to teach the same strategy, the NLC, New York Liquidity Concepts, but more like on a hands-on way. Alert on GBPUSD. The price hit the zone. Let's see how it reacts to it. What the DXY is doing. I'm gonna be patient with this. When the price is like, okay, so when I'm looking, for example, at DXY, I hope you guys can see this. So when the price, like when I'm looking at DXY and I see that DXY has broken one level, you know, bounced from it and is moving to the next level, I'm more than happy to be a little bit more aggressive on my entries, okay? Because there's nothing really big in between these two levels that can stop the price. You know, it's just either moving up to this zone or moving down from the zone, right? Because we're in between. So when the price touches my supply and demand, I'm more aggressive to take the trade. Where if the price is, for example, of DXY is at resistance, I expect USD to be a little bit more choppy until the price figures out what it wants to do, right? Around the level. Because rarely it will be just a rejection. It can be, but it will rarely be. Where this time, the price is currently at a resistance. If we look at DXY, and I zoom out, you see? The price is still figuring out if the level is strong enough to hold. So we might see the same type of thing on GBPUSD when we're looking for an entry. DXY is short-term bearish. Yeah, actually, Andre, I hope I'm saying your name correctly. To be honest, I created a payment link, which is hilarious. I created a payment link, which was not private, which was not public. I never announced it anywhere. I don't know how people found the link and people still managed to book and pay. I was like, what is happening? Because we never, like, it was never even public, which was hilarious. Of course, you know, we had to accept those people were like, but we had to remove the payment link, but because I was extremely surprised, like, what the hell, you know, what is happening? Bullish. Yeah, it is bullish, but it is at a resistance. React, don't guess. Come on, ape. Come on, ape. I need, bro, if if ape goes to all-time highs, which is 28, bro, I'm guys. Oh my god. Life would be different. I don't think it would be much different, but okay, US 100. If it moves exactly the way I drew it up, it would be hilarious. Oh yeah, that's why I'm not trading it, because you give me ugly price action gold. I need to do 100 push-ups. So I did doing a challenge to myself. I don't care if I go work out. I don't care if I don't work out. I don't care how I feel. I have to do 100 push-ups in a day. Doesn't matter if I went to run 600 kilometers that day. I still need to do 100 push-ups. That's kind of my thing right now, what I came up with. It's called Eat the Frog. Alright, this song is ass. Brian Tracy, no, I don't know who he is. Guys, hit the like button. Thank you. Oh no, that's funny. He wrote a book, Eat the Frog. I just heard a quote. I think it might be from his book then. Brian Tracy. So we're back on live streaming, guys. We're gonna figure out the schedule. I'm still figuring out what I want to do with the streams. To keep them public, to make them private, to make them private and do only one public a week, to allow only the members to chat, or to just give a delay to the live stream for the public, so like 10-minute delay for the public, and then for the people that's inside the NLC to do live stream, you know. Knowledge is free, brother. Yes, but the time, the energy, the resources I had to get through, to get this knowledge, to spread it, it's also another thing. Money increases the productivity. It's absolutely correct, but not as simple as you think, in a way that money increases productivity because, look, if I make more money, instead of editing my own videos, I can hire an editor so I can do something else. Instead of doing a support for co-funded, I can hire somebody to do it. So yes, the more money you have, the more resources you can gather, and then do something else, and then make more money, and then do something else, and then eventually it's a big bubble, you know. With more money, yes, you can have a productivity, but it's not like your productivity, it's the product that you're doing, building or whatever. In your trade, what is the structural time frame that you have always aligned for intraday? Structures, I look at daily structure and 4 hour. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Proud, proud. Proud Lithuanian. You know what? I was so I never buy a car. Like, I bought a Range Rover. Okay, that's like €100,000 car. But it's not like a super car. And I'm not buying it because I don't have a consistent living space. All right? Because last year I was 7 months in Dubai, 2 months in Malta, 2 months in Lithuania, just traveling everywhere. It's like, okay, why I would buy like let's say like a Lamborghini and have it standing in the, underground parking lot for 7 months, 6 months. So I said to myself, until I find a residency when I know that I'm gonna stay most of my year here, instead of flying all over the place, then I'm gonna buy a car. But this weekend, my friend came to pick me up with his G-Wagon, and we were just we were driving. He was driving, I wasn't. So fast, bro, and it was so much fun. Those like boys night rides, like through the city. It was so fun. We had a lot of fun, and I was like, shit, maybe I do need a car here, like the fun car, the car that we can have some fun with. So I'm heavily debating of just getting a car, even though like I'm planning to buy an apartment in Dubai very soon, and I don't know, maybe a mistake. Here we go again. Me against me, bro. Me against me. Bro, honestly, I don't think the SVJ could go into my parking lot, because in my apartments, for you to go into parking lot, you need to go like, it's underground parking lot, so you need to go down. And the how do you say, the ramp and the parking lot it's very steep. Like, I think some of just like regular sedans, they touch I don't know what I would do. Imagine you buy a $500,000 car and you cannot enter the parking lot with it. What do you do? No, Macan, fuck no, bro. Range Rover is way better. I think Range Rover is better than Cayenne. No, Macan is for women. Yeah, I think that's a Žalgiris. Of course, Žalgiris. I'm watching the game tonight. My friends are coming over to watch. I'm always the host. People are always coming over to my place to watch the sports or just hang out. I'm single, and like I'm the guy that everyone comes to hang out with, to run away from their girlfriends and stuff like this. Oh my god. Wait, what is GBPUSD doing? Oh, I was like, what the fuck is that? What's guys in the Discord saying? Yeah, I'm getting a little bit sick. I was, hi guys, you have hear a funny story. I think I had COVID when I was in Dubai, because literally, like, I felt a little bit shitty, and I was talking to my friend. He was like, I bought these vitamins. I don't know, the vitamins cost like 180 euros vitamins. And I was like, oh, these are the most expensive vitamins I ever bought. And my friend goes look at them and then smells them, like, oh my god, they smell so bad. And I take the vitamins to try to smell, and I couldn't smell anything. So I think I hypothetically might have had COVID when I was in Dubai. But I'm not sure. Yeah. Yeah, new garage. No, I don't. I think I would just sell this apartment and buy a house. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Come on, Ape. Climb back up, baby. I also have Sandbox, which has been going parabolic. I also have Gala. I know them from the past bull run. I made a lot of money from their past bull run here. I think I bought some of it here, you know. Of course, I lost a little bit on the way down, but overall, I was definitely in profit from Gala and Sandbox. I think because they survived the bearish run, the bearish trends, I think they might really go up. I know Chili's is a good project. It's something with the sports betting and some type of integration in that space. I mean, XRP, come on, baby. What do you mean? What do you mean? It's incredible. Gold. I'm not trading gold today, bro. I told you. It blew past my zone. It's super choppy. Gold, bro. Whenever you guys write like this, that's how I read it. Gold, bro. Gold, bro. Look at gold, please. Chill, bro. Chill. BTC, please. Come on, bro. No, I'm not shorting US100. I'm not. I'm only trading, if I'm trading, I'm only trading GBPUSD today. This setup that you have right now. Only. Other ones I already went over. I don't know if you can scroll back to the very beginning of my stream. You can look at my analysis and see why I'm not trading these. And yeah. Do trading stand-up comedy, bro. The funny thing is I could from this whole industry, bro. I'm so happy that I am finally the guy that can say, if anybody comes up to me and says, oh, he's a better trader, just please go and ask him for a verified track record of at least 3 months, and ask him to send you the history of that account. So like MT4, like I can show you right now. Symbol, all symbols, like this. Wait, can you see it? So like I send a screen recording of all of this. If he can do that, and if it's better, then congratulations. But 90, 95, 97%, they won't do it. And I'm in my I'm in my own lane. I'm in my own lane. I'm chilling. I'm chilling. NLC has, bro, blew my mind. Not gonna lie. Go fake birth certificate. Why? Oh yeah. Yeah, bro, like just follow me on socials. I don't know if I'm gonna make it public, but maybe. No matter what happens, you've got to hang on. Climbing up the viewers, man, every second. Like the stream, guys, please. We have 83 people watching. Let's get to 40 likes at least. Bro, I heard about that shit. I like twice. Yes. For now, I'll be coming live from Tuesday to Thursday. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Maybe sometimes Friday, maybe sometimes Monday. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. You know what I mean? Guys, there's some crazy promos on co-funded right now. But I'm looking at them right now. So, wow. So you can get 200K challenge for $760. 100K for $340, where on other platforms it's 550, 580. It's big ones. Wait, let me see. What the discount code? The discount code is. The discount code is. Wait, where's the fucking code? Oh, Christmas. Christmas. And you also enter a giveaway for a 15K challenge. What do you need, man? You can use 15% discount with my code, or 20% discount with Christmas code. But I think it's for bigger challenges. For smaller challenges, you can use my code. Yeah, you should reach out to my Discord. All right, GU. I don't like that. Yeah, I don't like the way it looks. I wanted a bigger reaction. We already traded below the zone as well, which shows some weakness to the zone. I still believe this setup is valid. I'm not sure if the zone is valid. The price could potentially be going a little bit lower. We do have a lot of liquidity right in this distribution zone, right? So the price has been distributing liquidity in the same area for a while. So that's where we may want to go. But since it kind of correlates with EURUSD, and EURUSD is still away from the zone that I'm interested in, I think GU might be going lower. I'll wait for this 30-minute close actually, and if it doesn't, then I'm just not gonna be trading today. I took 2 L's yesterday on EURUSD, GBPUSD. I really don't want to be aggressive and over trading this. This is not like ideal setup that like I'm a fan of and that I really, really love. So I don't know. 3 minutes for this candle to close. I'm not. I won't be trading Christmas time. I won't be trading Christmas between New Year, and I won't be probably trading like first week after New Year. I mean, of course, once again, I'm gonna look at the market volume and how it moves. But man, I've been doing this 8 years. I just know how the markets are, and even the whole January won't be crazy. But I will be trading January. But yeah, guys, it looks like the 30-minute candle has been breaking below the demand of the point of interest, so I don't think I'm going to be trading this. EU is approaching this level, but approaching with a lot of momentum. Also not ideal. I think I'm going to leave the markets today as they are. If you are interested, continue monitoring this zone, EU, for buys. But I'm not going to be touching that. That's going to be it for me for today. We're going to be back at it tomorrow. Maybe we can have a little bit more volume, a little bit more decent setups. But it has been a good session. I don't mind the no trading days. I feel like I'm happy with myself whenever I don't trade, because that tells that I'm not thirsty for a trade, thirsty for a setup. Kinda shows me again of my discipline, shows me again of my persistence, and that's a good way to look at it. All right, guys, enjoy the rest of your day. I'm gonna be ending this stream right now, and I'll talk to you soon. Peace.